you free to fly your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my video. Thank you so much for returning. Thank you for all of my A1 Day ones. Thank you for my newer subscribers. I'm so happy that you are here. Today is January the 16th. I am introducing this video because I'm going to make it a vlog. It's Friday. I do have work tomorrow, so we're going to, as you can see, I have all of my Christmas decor up. So we'll be taking that down in this video. Happy New Year. This is the first video of the year. And this year, guys, I am really finna be intentional about the things I put in my body. I want my body to look a certain way. I am going to lose this gut. We're going to be exercising. We're going to be more active. I'm going to be more creative. I found a hobby that I love that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So I'm just super excited for this year, and I hope that you are all off to a great start as well. So, like I said, I just came through to introduce the video before I get comfortable. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes through the video, guys. So just stay tuned. So, guys, I know you noticed that I have keloid skin. And I am going to work on my health. I'm working on my skin. I want nice teeth. I want a nice body. Some health issues has popped up. I'm okay. It's something that I can work on. I want to be good from the inside out. So this year is my time. I'm just going to be real intentional on the things that I do, because this is what I want for myself. We only got one life, and it's no more room for dealing with things that doesn't serve me. I'm not dealing with nothing that don't serve my mind, my body, or my spirit, or my health. I am going to get it together. It's time. So that's what this year is going to be about for me. And I'm just super duper excited about it because it's this feeling that I got. I just cannot explain. I'm just ready. I'm ready to do me. And yeah, so I just wanted to just express that, y'all. So we'll be getting into it. Like I said, this is a vloggy vlog. And yeah, so let's go. Have you ever seen the person that, okay, they dress good, they got nice hair, you know, and they might even have nice teeth, but they're ugly? Some people are so ugly by the way they think. You know, how they don't stand on their own 2 feet, how they gotta follow. You know, they're not leaders. You know, people need to get this right before you walk stuck up with your head up and you treat people like crap. Why do you think that you're not going to have to answer to God? You are not the ruler. You need God just like everyone else. So, yeah, beauty is different for me. Like, I don't look at a person and say, oh, she's beautiful. Okay, physical, you know, yeah, but when you get to talking and acting crazy, it's gone. No, you're not pretty anymore. Not to me. That's just not how I roll. And I'm not rolling with nobody like that. I'm not rolling with nobody that don't serve me right, you know, because I give a lot of love. And so when people just all of a sudden act funny or, start moving different, let them people go. That's God letting you know. You ever heard that saying? Believe, believe them when they show you. True saying. Them people gonna stay that way. There's nothing you can do. Let them go. Let them talk. Let them do what they do. They gonna have to pay for that. They think they don't. They big and bad when they doing it. Let's see how big and bad they be when they pay for it. I'm just saying. We need to get it together, guys. You wonder why the world messed up? Because people walking around with this messed up. Yeah, that's what it is. It's exactly what it is. So, I'm glad that God has gave me discernment. So, I can tell, I can see a fake person a mile away. I can tell you what you own a mile away. It's nothing you can get over me. Like, people cannot blindside me. I already know what's up. So, I would rather have no friends than fake friends, baby. I love to stay alone and stand alone. And I love you guys. And I'm just so happy that I have you here to converse, So, yeah. That's what I'm doing this year, yeah. And let me just say this. I'm never alone when I'm standing with God. You are never alone when you have God. How can you go wrong when you have God? You cannot go wrong when you have God. It is good to be in the presence of God and out of the presence of the devil and evilness. It is good. You are at the best place. Remember that. You don't need people that are not real or genuine. You don't need that. Get it up out your life. Get it up out of there so you can do you. And another thing, I said I want a nice body, nice teeth, nice skin. But guess what I want for real? A beautiful spirit. Yeah. Because none of them things matter if you don't have a beautiful spirit. You are considered ugly, whoop-defied, hurt up, dirt up, from the skirt up. Trust me. When you don't have a good heart, you ain't got nothing. What you need to what really matters is your salvation. You need to be careful on how you treat people and how you put your mouth on people. Okay? But you see somebody go through today, you can go through tomorrow. So who are you to judge? That's why God say don't judge, because you don't have no room to judge. Yeah. Pay attention. Went to Starbucks, guys. We're gonna do a little coffee, guys. I got Americano with 2 pumps of gingerbread. I am still in my Christmas era. That's fine, guys. Like I told you, we are taking it slow. I just feel like I wanted to spend some time with you and just kind of converse more, because I feel like I'm not showing you me. Like, I'm being me, like, but I'm not really like conversing and expressing myself well. Like, the YouTube is new for me, and it's hard for me to talk to the phone, but I have to realize that you are watching and I'm not talking to the phone. I'm talking to you. So yeah. So I just want to be more intentional when we are, when I'm doing my videos, that I am talking to you guys and explaining things well. So yeah, that's what we're going to do this year. I'm going to really work hard in everything that I do. My videos, cleaning my little apartment, until God blesses me with the house that I want. I'm going to take you throughout my life. I'm 50 years old, so hey, maybe I'll live another 50 years, and whatever happens, I am planning on recording and putting it on YouTube to share with whoever it's my family that wants to be a part. So yeah, I'm grateful. So we just want to do that, and I'm going to show you exercises that I'm going to start doing in this video. And I'm just making different clips and coming in and out talking to you guys and trying to come up off the dome what I want to say. Like, I'm not good with coming up off the dome. You know, I think better than I speak. And I'm going to be working on that as well. I'm going to be working on a lot of things. Life is too short. I want to be my best self. And I just encourage you all to do the same, y'all. I really do. And if no one ever told you that they love you, I really do. I love everybody that's watching my channel. I do. Why? Because you are giving me a chance. You are allowing me to be a part of your life as well. And this is something that I've always wanted to do. I used to be insecure. I'm not insecure anymore. It's gone. I really don't care what anyone says or think. I don't care about my skin. I don't care about people saying, oh, you're going to see your skin, your keloid on YouTube. And people are human just like I am. You're human just like I am. No one's perfect. You have flaws that you don't show. People don't show all of their flaws. I don't care anymore. And it feels so damn good. Golly, baby, it feels good. Got to be God. It got to be God. And I'm just so thankful. I really am. So, cheers to my family here on YouTube. Who loves you, baby? Mwah. Good job. Real good job. I spoke about how the enemy can sometimes work through people, but how God calls me to walk in kindness anyway. Right now, I'm doing something simple. I'm making my bed. I want to start doing this every morning because God is a God of order, not confusion. And sometimes peace begins with the smallest act of care. Even when people misunderstand me, even when life feels heavy, I choose joy. I choose kindness. I choose a happy life with God at the center. This is me living intentionally. One habit, one moment, one faithful step at a time. Lord, help me live gently, love freely, and walk in peace today and every day. I almost didn't bring the camera in here. My dresser isn't organized. There's no fancy decor. And honestly, I felt a little embarrassed. But I did it anyway, because real life isn't always put together. And God doesn't wait for perfection to meet us. As I take off my jewelry and wind down, I'm reminding myself that growth doesn't start with looking perfect. It starts with being honest. This room is a work in progress, just like me. And that's okay. God still is here. Peace is still possible. And my worth isn't measured by how organized my space looks. Right now, I'm writing down my goals for 2026. Not things that I want to achieve, but the kind of person I want to become. I'm learning that goals don't have to come from fear or comparison. They come from peace, from listening, from trusting God with my future. The Bible says, commit your work to the Lord and your plans will be established. So I'm placing these goals in His hands, knowing that some will change, some will grow, and some may look different than I imagined. I'm not rushing the process. I'm choosing alignment over pressure. 2026 isn't about perfection for me. It's about obedience, healing, consistency, and joy, one page at a time. Sunday morning, January the 18th, 2026. I'm heading to the shower to meet with God in prayer, cleansing my body and my soul. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So here I'm opening up the window to let some of that natural light in. And while I was opening up the window, I was being a bit nosy. So I'm just about to prepare to exercise. I'm going to show you the chair exercises that I've been doing to flatten my stomach and to work on my glutes. I want to keep my glutes. I just want to change my glutes into muscle instead of fat. So I am about to start with that soon as I'm done being nosy. So I got this exercise off of YouTube, I believe. So you're supposed to do 100 of these for 90 days, and it's supposed to flatten your stomach. So I do 10 sets of 10. So I'm kind of struggling here, but this exercise is for the glutes. And I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but I can feel it in my glutes. So hopefully that's the gist that I need. And yeah, so I am going to do this every day. I've also joined the gym with my husband. So the days that I don't work and he doesn't work, we will be going to the gym together. And I will be recording it and sharing it with you guys as well for my cardio and my arm exercises. So now it's time for me to eat breakfast. I am finding something on the TV to watch, and I chose my girl Monroe Steele. I am going to do my usual, which are the Impossible sausage, and I'm going to make me some over easy eggs or hard eggs.
I definitely wanted kind of an L-shaped house because the room is quite large. A little bit away from the wall, just to create a more intimate space in the middle of the room. It's made up of 4 different very large sections, and I love the roundness of it. It's quite smooth as well, and it's so comfortable. I've taken quite a few naps on this couch, and I love the color of this couch as well. But I absolutely love it. It's actually quite easy to clean as well. As does some of the few other colors of blue and Georgia love. This couch is fabulous with the design of this room and all the other pieces that a different texture against the velvet of the appears. And then I have a beautiful knitted, a huge theme in the living room area.
guys, after breakfast, I went on and put on my clothes, and now I am dressed. And I want to do a quick one item haul. I am known to smell so good. I hear people say, they tell me all the time that they can smell me coming in a good way. And I want to show you my signature perfume that I got last night. When my husband came home from work, he brought the package up, and I already ripped off the plastic. So I am going to go ahead and unbox it with you guys. Take it out of the packaging. This is the packaging, which is super cute. And the name of this perfume is Armaf Club de Nuit. And this is my favorite perfume. I discovered this perfume 3 years ago. I believe 3 years ago, after my grandmother passed away, which was my best friend, Big Mama. And I just wanted to feel and look beautiful and elegant, because that's what type of woman she was. So I've been wearing this ever since. And you open it. Looks like that. Hope you guys can see. That's a little gold packaging inside. And it comes with more perfumes that Armaf, I believe that's how you say it. The other perfumes that they have. This is a parfum, so this lasts all day. It leaves a linger in the air, I was told. It is so beautiful. Voila. This scent is unexplanatory. I can probably read you the notes, but I can't explain how it smells. It is such a beautiful scent. This is my signature scent. Like I said, I've been wearing this ever since my grandmother, Big Mama passed away. And so it's kind of dear to my heart. And this is, I have gotten the most compliments from this perfume. This is such a big bottle. This bottle was only $30, guys. So this is something to look into. It is not too expensive, but it is an expensive scent. So I encourage you all to try Armaf Club de Nuit. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it right. So yeah, just wanted to share that. So I am going to be taking down my Christmas decor today, which I am super sad about, because I did put it up late, but it is time to take it down, guys. I enjoyed my Christmas decor this year, and I am going to start taking my little town down. Guys, I know this town doesn't seem, seem like it's a lot. It's like it's, oh, such a beautiful town. But it is not the size of this town. It is the meaning of this town. Like I said, this was inspired by Sharon. She's so fabulous, because Sharon is the first influencer that I followed on YouTube when I started watching YouTube. And she started this, making a town years ago. It started like this, with Dollar Tree houses. And when she suggested making a town on her channel, she started receiving packages with houses from her viewers, for her subscribers, and it's been a beautiful thing. I have not yet been able to purchase something for Fabfield, which is the name of her village. So every year I make some sort of town. And this is what I came up for last year. And so it is the meaning of my town. I feel like I didn't explain it well in the last video. Like I told you guys, I am going to be working on my speech and explaining everything well so you can understand. Okay, so it is the meaning, and it's now time to take it down, guys. So yeah. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. We are going to start taking everything down. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And also, guys, since we talked about how God is a God of order, as you know, my dresser is not organized. So this was an inspiration for me to organize my dresser. I want to be as close to God as possible, and it's just something that I need to do, organizing the dresser. I probably go ahead and decorate my bedroom now. As you know, this is not my forever home. I will be looking into buying or renting a 3-bedroom home with a beautiful basement, live-in basement, garage, and all, which is it is a garage that goes with this apartment. But I consider myself living small, living a tiny living. This apartment is probably bigger. Well, it is bigger than it looks here, than it looks like here on YouTube, but it is still small, so, which is cozy. And I'm just thankful for even having a roof over my head. So I just want to tell you guys, I got my new perfume, and I will be organizing my dresser and decorating my bedroom. And I would probably make my wall that my bed is on a curtain wall. I follow Monroe Steele, and I just love her. I realized that my home style is her home style. I love the look that she's done with her Miami home. I will put her handle up so you can follow her. She is so inspirational. Such a beautiful Black woman, guys. So I encourage you all to follow Monroe Steele, okay? And also Sharon, She's So Fabulous. And it's just a lot of influencers out there that I love, and has been very encouraging in my YouTube journey. So just wanted to say that, guys. I will be organizing my dresser soon. And also, guys, I mentioned that I'm going to be starting a hobby. Um, this is where I'm going to start my hobby at. I am going to build a dollhouse. I am going to be creative in the miniature world. I'm going to be making miniatures. I'm going to be making furniture. Of course, I got the idea off of YouTube. Your one and only Sharon. She's so fabulous. I think that will help my mental health. I told you guys I am working on the inside out. I know you've heard so many New Year resolutions. So these are mine. I'm working from the inside out, guys. And I am glad that you are all here to encourage me, because this is encouraging when I know that I have followers. I don't care how many followers, I have followers. So I am going to build a dollhouse, yep, about this wide. And I'm going to have rooms probably till about right here. And when I'm done, I am going to give it to my one and only granddaughter, Illyria, which I call her Lily Pad. So just wanted to share that, and I will be taking you all along with me. Can't wait.
there's no trace, no residual feelings within you, then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever.